You got to put one of these strips through the hole. Silicone goes on here when it's time. We're going to dig this one out first. All right, so we get that one out now. See the air coming out? All right, get it from the bottom. There you go. Got that out. What you're going to do is plug it. Yeah. You got to put the silicone on it right here. We got silicone on. You got to stick it in the hole. Go on in. Got that in. Right there. And what you're going to do now, you got to try to pull that up. Once you get that up, this is how you save the tire. The silicone in there. Just pull it up. It should break without the whole thing coming out. All right. You turn it so you can break it first. Once you turn that, see if we can break it. You don't want to pull the whole thing out. All right. There you go. She in there. That's how you plug a tire. Right? On a commercial vehicle. That's how you plug it. All right. So we still got to get these out. But I don't think it's leaking here. But we definitely going to put some water on there. All right. Get right at y'all. Make sure you hit the likes, share, and subscribe button. This is how you plug a tire. On the 24.5. All right. That's it. All right, so we plugged this one. So now I got to get out this one. Got two to get out. Hopefully these. I'm going to replace the tires anyway. I got to get all new tires anyway on this truck. But right now I got to need these tires to last for 2 more weeks. So we got to dig this one out and this one out. This is what's coming out. I don't know where these came from. But that came out of here. And where the other one go? On the ground here. There you go. There you go. There's the other one here. I don't know where these came from, but this came out of it too. All right. Put it over here. 2 more to go. What I'm trying to do is keep forcing it so I can dig it up out of here. Once we get it, we use the hammer. All right, so we got to stick it in here and see if we can turn it just a little bit. So we get that up out of there. It's coming. Can turn a little more so I can. There you go. So let's go ahead and start another one here before I where the pin at? Here you go. Gotta open it back up and stick one in there. All right, everybody, we got the third one ready to go. Just gotta dig this out. All right, so let me see if I can get that with the hammer. All right, so let's see if we can get that one out now. See if we get a nice bite on that. There you go. Push up on the body. I don't know how long this one is, but all right. Let's get that out of there. All right, we're still digging to get this one out. I'm gonna turn it with this. It's coming out now. I don't hear no air. It's going air come out anyway, but see how thick it is? We gonna plug it. I ain't never seen 4 plugs in one tire, but it's gonna be a new record. There you go. Air should be coming out. Yeah, that's deep in there. Air coming out of that. There's definitely air coming out of that. That's in there. Y'all see it? You get the dust. See that dust? See that? See it? You can hear it. All right. Let's get this in here. Put that in there to save the air. So what we're gonna do now, get the silicone glue on here. Just lay it down so you can see what I'm doing. Then you gotta do is apply it. Trying to get some on the back and the front. I'm gonna flip that over. Apply it on here. Get that on. Don't matter how much you do it. Pull it out of here. Got one more to go after this one. Alright, so we're gonna stick it in here. You just gotta force it in there. There you go. Alright. Go. You got 4 in there, so what I gotta do now is cut the tops off because you don't want to drive in the tires, the rim skip. It's gonna dig them right out, so I gotta cut them with a razor blade. But you're gonna get this last one out and then put some air in it. Let's go. All right, we're gonna turn this one off. This is the last one. It's the last one here. It's coming up. I got my water bottle there with the soap and water. All right, so you got this. Keep that soapy. You're gonna keep working on this last one. All right, I can hear it come out. All right. Okay. What we gonna do? We gonna go ahead and scrape that up. Once we get it out, we gotta put that back in here. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Just catching this video. We change it 4, pulling out 4 nails. 2 here, 1 on the ground somewhere. We pulling out 4. All right. You might say, get a new tire. I don't need a new tire. Trying to get this off. All right. Y'all gonna hear the ear like I'm about to hear it. There you go. See how big that hole is? Mm-hmm. Whew. You can hear it. All right. That. You're gonna take this, put it right in there. You gotta go all the way in there. Then what you gotta do, rub it down on it. All right, leave that there. You're gonna put some silicone, the glue on both sides. All right, flip it over. You're gonna put some on both sides. All right, so we can get it together. All right. Take that out. Hear the ear. There you go. Put that in there. Stick it down there. Try to get it down as far as you can. There you go, right there. We in there. See right there? Okay, we in there. Don't go too deep. Don't go too deep. So what you want to do now, turn this like so. Pull it out. Take your time. When you pull it out, you don't want to pull the whole plug out. There you go. That's it. There you go. Now we're going to do now, you get a razor blade, cut the tops off real quick. Then, because you got to cut them off because you don't want to leave, because if you drive and it skips the ground, it's going to peel them right out. So you get a blade, cut them out. That's pretty much about it. All right, get back at y'all.